things that I've been wanting to do. So today I wasn't doing nothing laying around, so I was like, man, I'm finna get up and hopefully make it happen. I ain't drove the car in a while. You know, it has snowed and all that good stuff. I ain't want to get all this salt and stuff on my car, so it's pretty clear now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get out in traffic, see what we can, see if I can get this done without it being a problem. Cause I don't know, I don't really know if it's a problem for me to be over here in this area or not. So yeah, about to do that. I need to go and get some stuff out of here. Yeah. Also, y'all know how I go, man. If you're new here, welcome. To all the old subscribers, y'all know what's happening, man. But if you're new, I'm glad you're here. I'm Belo. Well, 9 times out of 10, if you're new, you know who I am because you came over here for a reason. So, yeah. But, yeah, that's MayRose back there. And, yeah, we got to get in traffic. So, let me go ahead, get myself prepared, get everything together, and I'll hit y'all right back. Yeah. So, we back, man. I can't remember if I recorded this or not. It was a little while ago though. I was looking for spots for photo shoots, so I found a little spot. It's a little road. It's a little road. I don't know if y'all can see how we over there, but it's a little road right off the highway. You know what I'm saying? I don't even think the road is in use no more. Like I don't think people actually use it. But I was like, man, I think that'll be cold. I forgot. I think I did record this. It might have been some years ago though, cause I remember this plaque right here. I don't remember what it was. I don't remember what that little thing said. What did it say? Fielding Right Memorial Highway. I don't even know what that is. Lieutenant Governor, Vice President, Candidate, Senator, 1928 to 1932, House of Representatives, Lieutenant Governor. So Fielding A.R. Wright, whoever Fielding A.R. Wright was, I don't know. Y'all can look that up if y'all want to. Let me see. Let me get closer so y'all can see. Being that I'm in Mississippi, it's probably, you know what I'm saying? It's probably some of that right there type of stuff going on. But I don't know. Fielding A.R. Wright, man. Mississippi. Yeah. But anyway, so I figured I'd get me some pictures over here on this road since it's just a lonely highway. Give me some pictures over here, man. Hopefully they go to police, or hopefully he don't come over here and be like, what you doing over there? And then I got a whole nother issue going on. But I'm just trying to take some pictures, sir. I don't want no smoke. 9 times out of 10, he probably finna stop and come over here. 9 times out of 10. Oh, well, no, he didn't. Cool beans. So I ain't bothering nobody, ain't nobody bothering me. So, yeah, man. So we ain't kind of blowing a little bit. I want to put my camera up. I want to put my tripod up, but I don't want the wind to blow my camera over. And this camera here is so sensitive. It don't even matter if it's it don't matter if it's in the grass or in the on concrete. It's still gonna kind of. I just gotta get me a better tripod. I hope that wind don't blow my stuff over. Yeah, I see that. I hope that, please win. Man, that's a cold little shot though. Please, I hope they don't blow my camera over. on my phone. I just had my phone. Oh. Yep. So try to get some good shots, man. Excuse me. Try to get some good shots. Hopefully don't nobody come over bothering me. Let's see. Let's go up a little higher than this. See, the higher I go, the more the wind blow. It's kind of making me nervous. Man, you see what I'm saying? Like, he was just finna blow it over right then. So, alright, I'll just come back, man, and with the camera. So let me go ahead and try to get some shots or whatever, and I'll hit y'all right back. Yeah, this wind don't want me to be great at all. So I'm gonna have to do it. Hold on. I'm trying to do two things at once. This really ain't working out for me. Trying to get some cars, other cars in the shot and traffic. Hold on, y'all. We got 7-8 Chevy boy on the line. Hold on.
What up, man?
What up?
Man, out here moving and grooving. Had to hit you back.
Oh, yeah, man. I don't know if you remember when I was talking about doing this photo shoot. It was a while ago though, but I told you it was this little lonely road out here in Mississippi, like in Walls, like going toward the casino.
Yeah.
I never showed it to you though.
No, you never showed us.
Hold on, y'all. Let me hit y'all right back. Hold on. Yeah. So we back. Holla at P real quick. Yeah, man. Yes, I hate this face. I got face lock on. So I'm about to show y'all. Well, I can show y'all like this. Got MayRose back there. This gonna be a thumbnail right here. Let me see. See, the camera ain't gonna let me do too much. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna move. So I have to catch this shot. I don't know how I catch it, but yeah. Now I cut the camera off. I'm trying to hit the other button. But yeah, man, that's a nice little spot. You know what I mean? This'll be more of a, like, if I was a picture editor, I would put this probably in like the car. The car would still be the color the colors needs to be, but everything else would be black and white. Like, I don't know how to edit no pictures, so I had to figure something out with that. But right now it's just pictures to be, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, it's pictures. So, you know what I'm saying? This is something I want to do, like a little photo shoot I'm doing for myself. So, just something I wanted to do. That's something I wanted to do, man, because it's been on my mind for a long time to do it. So, as y'all can see, the background is kind of rustic, if that's what you want to call it, rustic, nostalgic, whatever you want to call it. Hell, I don't know. You got your train tracks back there in the back, water tower. You got a couple buildings. You got a whole bunch of dead trees, dead grass, hay, all that type of good stuff. Then you got the highway over here in the back, in the front. You know, cars going, so it's all good. I don't know. I don't know if there's any other shots I could get. I don't know. Let me see something else. I think I got shots from right here, so it's all good. Man, this temperature done dropped, boy. This cold front that came in, so man, this camera is hurting my hand. Let me hit y'all in a minute, man. I'm doing what I can to get y'all this footage, man, but let me hit y'all in a minute, boy, cause this this wind tearing my hand up. Damn. Oh, man, I just wanted to show y'all that I moved the car and got another shot real quick. I got another shot. Just did that real quick because I was running out of other ideas to do. But yeah, boy, it's so cold out here right now. It's a cold front coming through, and it has arrived. Sheesh. So yeah, this right here probably gonna be the thumbnail. Something off this right here, man, and just. Yeah, this is crazy, boy. It's cold week. I'm finna go home, boy. So let me, man, give me a thumbnail, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Yo, back, man. We made it to the house. Boy, I'm still trying to thaw out, boy. Man, hey, boy. When I tell you it was cold, man. Man, look. But yeah, man. Like I said, I think I told y'all a little while ago that I want to. I think I did. I ain't sure if I did some videos back, but that I really wanted to do a shoot out there. I wish I would have had, you know what I'm saying, some type of professionalism out there, like as far as cameras and all that good stuff. But hey, man, we made do with what we had. So hopefully when I get in here and edit some of the pictures, or edit the pictures or whatever, they'll actually look like something. Actually look like what I kind of envisioned them to look like. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I just hope, like I said, I just hope they look like what they look like something. You know what I'm saying? I hope they look like something. I'm gonna try my best to edit them as far as as best as I can to make them look like something of some importance. But that was good for me. That was good for me because I really wanted to do that. I wanted to do it with some more of the guys, but hey, man, it was just something that was on my mind. I got up and done it. So hopefully we can get down there and get some stuff done. If not, that's cool too. Yeah, so it's about to be a lot of stuff going on. I know I've been telling y'all this for a while as far as man cave content. I got to find, because it was in my cart and now it ain't there no more because they said they don't, the item is not available. So I have to find that ventilation system that I gotta find a ventilation system that I had in my cart, because I need that. I need that before I start doing too much, because when I take out this popcorn off the ceiling, I need that before I paint the ceiling, because I don't want to cut it after I paint. But it probably ain't gonna matter, but I'm gonna have to cut a hole in the ceiling to get all that stuff right. I need all my parts, all my vents and tubes and all that good stuff. So I want to do that. I want to find that again before I really start working. I gotta paint. I gotta find me a door. Just you know what I'm saying? Just simple. I mean, not simple stuff, but just stuff that you need when you're doing that type of stuff. So that's what I need. What else? The paint won't be a problem. I gotta find me a little couch to go in here. I gotta get all this stuff out of here too. As y'all can see, y'all probably can't see. I got all of his toy cars in here because for some strange reason he likes to demolish everything. So I just took him and put him out in here. Like some of the buttons ain't even on the remotes no more and all that stuff. So I just took him and put him in here, and he'll just play with those when we go outside or something. And he see them, and we just do it that way because I don't know what he be on, but he be just, I don't know. And some of the stuff, like y'all seen a couple of them still in the box. Like some of the stuff he never even played with, he just tear it up. He just, I don't know. But anyway. Yeah, man, that's really all I got for today, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all enjoyed being with me, man. Out there on that lonely highway, man. You know what I'm saying? Getting that footage, photo shoot. So with that being said, man, it's your dog, Big B-Lo, Mr. Animal himself. And I'll catch y'all in the next one, man.